Alright, let's go see if we can get this thing started and get it out of here in the snow. Oh. Battery might be dead. I don't know. Oh. It's been sitting for a couple weeks and it's about 10 degrees. Cycle the key a couple times, give it its best chance. Alright, we got some cables on it. It's been sitting for a few weeks, so let's try it. Right up. Now we'll see if we can get it out of the yard. Right. Jace will be the cameraman. Brandon's gonna make us some tracks because we got, I don't know, 8 or 9 inches of snow outside. No, we gotta go all the way down. There you go. Well, actually, it's probably more like 6 now. It's done a little bit of melting. Keep this thing moving. Alright, so we'll do a quick little walk around. So you guys can see, truck only has 109,000 miles on it. It's dirty, but clean. This truck hardly ever gets driven, but check out those rocker panels and cab corners. You can't really see anything because it's all covered in snow, but it's a really clean old truck. Has a Flowmaster on it. And other than that, it's pretty well stocked except for the exhaust. Super clean. What do you think, Jace?
I like it.
This was our truck, and then we traded it for the Mustang. Was that a good choice? You miss it? Jason's keep trying to get me to try to end up back up with it, and I could if I really wanted it to, but I think he should have this truck. It's a pretty cool truck. My brother-in-law Brandon. So, what are the plans? Do you know?
LS swap.
Yep, it's gonna get a 5.3 with Richard holding their little buck truck cam. We like that cam. 4L60 and just a Trailblazer 4.2 converter in it. Just pretty mild setup. What do you guys think? Is it worthy of being LS swapped? Yes, it's a long bed, but it's super clean. We'll take you guys for a little ride. Hop in. We didn't clear the snow off, so we can't go very far. Sling ice all over everybody's stuff. We'll go around the subdivision here. Yeah, I got it. We're just gonna go down the road. Alright, there's nobody coming that way. Nobody coming that way. So I don't have to feel bad about throwing snow everywhere. As you can see, she runs good. Has good oil pressure. This motor transmission will be for sale, so he'll regain some of his money back on that. Let's come back in through here. The windows aren't cleared off. It's sunny outside, so it makes it hard see. So we're not gonna go too far, but it's sunny but cold. So I think it's about 12 degrees outside. Is it nippy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Tomorrow's gonna be like 45, so we're gonna try to get some stuff done. Or I might make a junkyard run. I'm not sure yet. It's a cool truck. What do you guys think? Is it worthy of LS swapping it? I bought it, and I normally hate lung beds, and when I got it, I kind of actually dug it. And then, like I said, my brother-in-law really wanted it, so I traded him for the 95 Mustang GT back. And yeah, I would LS swap it. I think it's cool. This project should be happening in the next probably 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Let us know what you guys think of it.